Hey friends, we have a very significant search bar in Windows 11, especially in the newer versions. We have uh, an option to search for the latest event or the smiley mentioned here. But if you do not like it, if you want it shorter or if you want it different, then how will you be able to change this? For this, right click on the start button and select taskbar settings. In taskbar settings, we have this option for search here, and it mentions the usual search box, which is the default option. But if you want to change it to, let's say, search icon and label, where you do not have that option for the widgets and you don't have that option for the latest news, then you can choose the option for the same. And if you need the search icon only, that magnifying glass icon, if that is enough for you, then you can use the same. Other than this, if you need, let us say, you don't want the search bar, in this case all you need to do is hide the search bar and it's gone. So how would you search now? Simply click on the start button and you can search here. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.